Our number was called. We put our name in for a virtual queue around 2:15. Number was called at 7 o'clock.
How many there?
3.
3. To my friend Lily. Lily.
All right.
There's 1, 2, ready to go. 3 through those gates. Keep to your left. Thank you.
All right. We're going in to the Haunted Mansion Holiday. I thought I was gonna say Magic Castle. Haunted Mansion. Well, look at this artist rendition of what will be on the other side. Stripey, the skunk. We got some Stoom tones here. It's all the same. It's the inside that's different. Maybe they made it brighter, more film worthy. Old Flybait. He croaked. August 9th. Oh, that's soon. 1869. Yeah, everything's about the 69th birthday. Fifi, Rosie. She was a poor little pig, but she bought the farm. And other planters. Oh, that looks like a Tom, or what's his name? Tim Burton type of plant.
We are about to go on to
Alright, we're gonna go in. The GoPro is not good with low light, so I'm gonna switch to my iPhone. Once we kind of get in there a little bit. There it is, 0 days to Christmas. Alright, we're in line. Switching to iPhone. It's really cold in here. It's okay. We're gonna see Jack Skellington. You could hold me tight if you're feeling scared, but they're gonna say some Christmas songs. Is that okay? Whoa, look up.
Was the nightmare before Christmas had gone through the house? Not a creature was peaceful, not a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children nestled all snug in their beds.
Okay, are you ready? Alright guys, so these heads are supposed to follow me. What? They're looking at us, just keep turning as I walk.
And now, the dark carriage will take you away.
Oh, and there's
Sit back, rest in peace in the black.
Young lady, there's the young lady over there. And then all of a sudden, there's an old lady. Oh wait, a younger lady. That was tough.
Don't hold out the bar. It will
Go like this.
float
Go like this.
Please. And keep a close watch on all children. Please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh. All hands, arms, legs, or feet. Sigas a tus niños. Marcha felizmente. Los fantasmitas y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos y manos abiertas. More rapid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned.
This is actually haunted hallway. Haunted for real.
It's Jack's little friends. The ghost dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all was so pleasant. The golden Jack says makes a fine Christmas present. A man eating plant makes a wonderful dream. As long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
On the first day of Christmas, my cool love gave to me a star, a brilliant star.
Are you ready to resume your visit? Yes. We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
Ready to resume, I do. Stop.
Rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure. 7 pearls of wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me. 6 mystic mirrors reflecting futures yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 5 lucky charms to understand the right from wrong. 4 wheels.
Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
That love and romance may succeed. On the first day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me a star, a brilliant star for my fortune card tree.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy homes deep into your eyes, like a nightmarish painting by Currier and Ives. Slung on his back. They were strange and bizarre. Just no staring, and you're about to